Welcome to Island Rewind. I'm Cindy and I'm on my way to the airport. Yes, I am leaving Florida. Yes, back to Jamaica. So I'm in the car with my son and we are heading towards the airport, Fort Lauderdale Airport, that is. See you in a bit. In here, waiting for my son to arrive to help me check in here. There he is. Unbeknown to me that JetBlue does not take boxes anymore. Look at him struggling, coming up with the box, only to find out that I have to end up now going to purchase a bag, which I wanted to keep all the expenses down. Passport was just here. I thought I made things easier for myself, but I didn't. We'll go and find a kiosk. They were all free a minute ago. So I've cleared customs, F1 and immigration. This way. F1 is over this side. Walking through duty free, trying to get some wine or brandy for my party. Not my party, but the party I'll be going to the following day. The airport is certainly a lot busier than when I came in about 3 weeks ago. It was practically empty. I guess because it's just after Thanksgiving and Black Friday. I'm off to find some duty-free liquor, but looking at the perfumes, my God, when did all perfumes the least price? Have you got any that's on sale here? Hi. What perfumes have you got on sale? $100 perfume, they can keep that. Huh? I'm on the flight and we're now on our way to Jamaica. This passenger, look, I'm going to show you now. Looks like an ordinary person, doesn't he? Alright, we'll see soon. He started acting strange very soon. When you sit next to a strange man on a flight for the entire 1.5 hours, this is what he did.
JetBlue would like to welcome you to Kingston, Jamaica, where the local time is 6:06 p.m. For safety, please remain seated until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful opening overbins and to move during flight.
I cleared customs and immigration very quickly, and they only asked what we brought into the country, and that was all, because that was the last day of being able to take 2 pieces of luggage free. So that was a godsend. So we're on the airport road now from Kingston and going home. You can see on the left there it's showing Kingston there from the airport, going from the airport. It does look very, very nice at night, and you can see that's the ocean there, you can see on the left. So it's dark. I don't really like coming home on these dark flights, but as long as you have someone trustworthy to pick you up, it's no problem, because I use the same person most of the time. Traveling on the Knutsford this morning, and just got some time to spare. This is the Knutsford bus, to be exact. Just arrived into Kingston. Couldn't find the chip for my phone, so I said, okay, let me go into town, because I have some time between getting the Knutsford and about 1:30 or something is my bus. So I thought I would try and see if I could get my phone card. Can't get it. It's just kind of ridiculous. I tried several shops but no luck. Digicel seemed to have closed the Digicel place. The funny thing was, I was in a hurry. Not to say anything negative about disabled people, but this guy was deaf, and it just really was annoying me because I was in a hurry. Well, I'm on the Knutsford now, and just showing you how lovely it is. It's a double-decker bus, and I'm on my way to Falmouth, going to a party in Falmouth. I'm meeting someone who's on a long holiday out here from UK. See how lovely the bus is? I'm actually downstairs just showing you that they have TV on board. But in fact, you can't get the Knutsford all the way to the North Coast. You have to change in Kingston. The North Coast meaning Falmouth, Montego Bay area. Men at work fixing the light poles, bending in the wrong direction. Many people are still without electricity. This is a long stretch of road on the way to the North Coast. Public Service is the electrical company of Jamaica, and they're out there, but I have to tell you there's so many people who have not received any light as yet. My friend in Greenwood, she has not received any light. She's still using her generator. But as everybody says in Jamaica anyway, the electrical company is one of the most expensive bills that you will have. And recently I heard that they've also received a loan from the government. I don't know how that works. There's an update. The electricity bill is going to increase by 7%. We're in the North Coast now. You can see those beautiful hotels with arriving in Falmouth now, the Falmouth stop, and we're we're at the glistening waters, famous for the light action where the water glistens at night. They take you out in the water in a boat, and then you can see yourself glistening, or other people, when they take a picture of you or a video, can see it glistening. Really upgraded, because before.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Falmouth. For passengers embarking on this line, thank you for choosing Luxury Express. It was my pleasure serving you. Please secure all your personal items. For passengers heading to Montevideo, please remain on board. Thank you.
Got a new place, because before they were on the other side, like in a makeshift place. So now this is their new place. We need to get up now. Just showing you the bus leaving, and I'll just hang around until my ride arrives. Next stop for them is Montego Bay. That's the final stop. So again, I'll just remind you, you won't be able to see how I'm getting to my friend's house, and you also won't be able to see his place. So, because some people are private like that, and what can I do? Trying to do a job, but people don't want to be seen, so I just have to go along with their wishes, okay? So you're going to see now, here we are. I'm at the house. Hi everyone, I'm in Trelawney. I'm at my friend's house. He is having a mini party. So here I am, just relaxing. Look at that beautiful view. And then look at that backdrop. It really is quite far down. Take a look. Scenery. Can't see much because it's night. Tomorrow I'll show you more. I am in Jamaica. And where are you? Copyright strike, people. Sorry, I can't play any more of this music. So I hope you understand. But it's a party. I haven't gotten changed yet for the party, but yes, so that is the party. Lots of good vibes and lots of food to eat, and drinks, of course. And there is the birthday man there in the t-shirt, and he's the person whom I hope to interview at some point, and he's been here on a long holiday. Please remember to like my video and to follow me for more. Thank you. Party time.